told you to bring those plants in. You decided to leave them out there. Let's see what happens when they come in this room and find out how this room looks, and they say, you know what, y'all gotta leave. Let's see what happens then. I'm not moving them in anymore, I told you that. Something as simple as moving goddamn plants in. You want to be defiant. You're defiant at the wrong things. And you're defiant at the wrong people. But we'll see where that path leads you at.
First thing he says to me as he wakes up. First thing he says to me as he wakes up. That's the first thing he says to me as he wakes up. You know that? Talking about I'm defiant. I'm defiant because I'm not going to go along with your abuse. He's sitting there trying to put his fear into me because he's very fearful. He's the one that's acting like a lunatic. It's crazy. This place is filthy because of him. Because of him. Literally have to clean up after a grown man. After a grown man. Have to clean up after a grown freaking man. How ridiculous is that? Trying to act like my plans is an issue. That's why I zoomed in on it so y'all can see. But other plans is not a freaking issue. I put it aside, I'm going to do it. But it's still he's the one who has the issue. Narcissist never wants anything resolved. Oh, they said you got to go somewhere. The frick out of here. They ain't going to say because of that. Motherfricker, as long as we've been here, too freaking long, that would be a gift. That would be a motherfreaking gift. How about that? How about that? Let's talk about I'm defiant. If it's defiant, then it's clearly about something else. Clearly about something else. Had a freaking issue. So the freaking tried to throw a freaking room key on me. And it told me, oh, what did he say? He said something that, he said you tried to change the key out there so I couldn't get in the room. You know what the frick? I'm asleep. That's like woke up and threw the key at me. The key hit me in my eye. And I was asleep. Bitch ass. So close, man. He said, oh yeah, I'm gonna get your car. I need to get your car and then we be out of here. You know how many times he said that? Motherfricker, I've been saying that, transfer the title of my name. Shut up. Say, oh, you need to be out of your... Motherfricker, I was out on my own. You came with your wife, busted my door down, literally physically broke the door down. Same door he broke right there. Same door he broke right there. Y'all see the latch? The thing that's supposed to be a middle thing right there that's supposed to go. It's broken. Broken. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. He's been acting like this ever since I don't know how the hell he's doing this. I don't know how, but apparently when I certified for unemployment, they sent him the email. Apparently he was reading off his phone or something. Like, I don't even know how they have his email. I'm like, how the frick did they get his email? And he said, oh, it should be here by such and such day. So ever since then, now here it is. He's trying to crank it up. Because I guess he feels like it's more of a threat. Because the narcissist sees your money as a threat that I'm going to leave. Bitch ass boy. Katie was there. It's never that. Because when it's one thing, it's the plants. I mean, I'm moving when I move it. Because, I mean, it's raining. They're plants. They need sunlight. They need rain. You know? Something else. And, you know, trying to give me his food again. Like, they're sitting there trying to insult me. And then, what else is he doing? He's trying to, hold on, let me show y'all if y'all can see me. Grand Rising, y'all. But he's sitting there trying to insult me at the same time. Oh, y'all probably can't see it. It's vertical. Hold on. But yes. Filthy ass motherfucker. I gotta clean up out that grown ass male, bro. Sick of this. Sitting there trying to insult me. And then sitting there trying to give me like food. Oh, you want to eat. Because he sees me eat watermelon. I get my own watermelon. Now he's trying to get. I don't want that BS. I threw that stuff on. I put it on the motherfucking ground. Trying to block it and put it in the sink. I ain't eating that BS. I'm not eating none of your food. I've not eaten your food in years, motherfucker. Don't try me. Do not try me, man. I think people call it, I'm sorry. I think people call it breadcrumbing. Feathers up, by the way, American Pride. We're not just talking, we're actually living it. I can't really see it because I got it this way. So, hey, it's hopefully you see what you'll see. But people call it breadcrumbing. You know, this way the narcissist trying to reel you back in. Acting like he's doing me a favor by trying to give me some food or watermelon. You an evil bitch. I don't eat from you, motherfucker. F you. F you, man. Don't eat nothing from the narcissist. It's coming into play. I'm waiting on this stuff to come in so I could, because it's really supposed to be a bigger sum. I'm waiting on a bigger sum so I can get the frick up on. And I get out the bathroom. That was the first words he said to me. That was the first words he said to me. First words he said to me, you know. The first words he said to me as he gets up. Just the evil, spiteful, hateful motherfucker. Got it on freaking film, too. Got it on freaking film. Can you believe that, man? Ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous, man. And I had it, whatchamacallit, because he's just looking at me. Just doing, you could even capture that narcissistic stare. I felt it. I felt that, because I seen it through my peripherals. I would have painted on mine. Yeah. But anyway, you guys know, make sure you guys get the stuff in the description box, consultations. You can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. You dig? Follow us there. We post on a regular, just like we do daily uploads on our YouTube. Peace, love, and light, all right?